Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting permissions and the file's ready so you can swap emoji assets. This is crucial because Android needs elevated access to replace system fonts. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging and copy the iPhone emoji. TTF to your device storage. Make sure to back up the original emoji font file and system font folder so you can restore if needed. If your Oppo requires root or a theme app, prepare and grant those rights before proceeding to file replacement. Now you perform the actual replacement. Remount the system partition as read-write or use a theme tool that injects fonts because Android blocks direct changes otherwise. Once mounted, rename the original font file and copy the iPhone emoji. TTF into the system/fonts directory. This ensures the OS loads the new glyphs. Make sure file ownership and permissions are set correctly, typically RWRR, and then clear the font cache or reboot to force the system to rebuild glyph maps. This step makes the new emoji visible across apps. Finally, you verify the change and address common failures. Reboot the phone and open messaging, social, and keyboard apps to confirm the iPhone emoji render consistently. This shows system-wide success. If you see squares or inconsistent glyphs, restore the backup and recheck the exact file name, ownership, and permissions. Errors here are the usual cause. Once corrected, clear font caches or reapply the theme. If you cannot modify system files, consider using a third-party keyboard that supports iPhone-style emoji as an unrooted alternative.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.